Good morning, class. Today's Tuesday, October 16th, and we're going to be working through lesson 3 about functions. So today on the agenda, we're going to learn this lesson, and then there will be the rest of the class period to work on the functions section in Swift Playgrounds. And there will be nothing due by the end of the hour today. So when we're thinking about functions and when we're programming in Swift Playgrounds, we need to be thinking efficiently. So this next lesson is all about how can you get Byte to collect gems and move around the world, but doing it as fast and efficiently and the least amount of steps, rather commands, as possible. So today we're going to be talking about functions and a little bit of loops. So here we go. The best way that I know how to teach you functions is to dance. So here we go. How many of you know the Sid Shuffle? Well, if you don't, it's okay because I'm going to teach you. So everybody go ahead and close up your iPad and stand up. Now, the first step starts with step to the front and you shake. You step to the back and you shake. Step out with your left foot, bring it in, and then slide. Step out with your right foot, bring it in, and then slide. You crisscross your feet and do the Manny, because Manny the Mammoth, he's got this big wiggly trunk, but you do that twice. Crisscross and do the Manny. You jump, jump, wiggle, and you walk it out like Granny. I know that might not make a lot of sense right now, but let's give it a go. Here we go.
What's up, my mammals? This is Sid the Sloth from the movie Ice Age, and we're about to do this new dance, the Continental Drift. It's time to get up on your feet. It's easy to do. Just follow me. Move it up. Do the shit. Take it back. And do the shit. Step left. And drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump. And walk it out like Granny.
Face to the left.
And do the shit. Take it back. And do the shit. Step left. And drift, step right, and then drift, crisscross, and do the man-made, crisscross, and do the man-made. Now jump, jump, shake your rump, and walk it out like Granny.
Face the back.
You got it. Take it back. Oh yeah. Step left. All my mammals in the house.
Press right.
Do it
and
with me,
slide.
baby. Crisscross.
Do
Here
the
we go, yo.
man-made.
Crisscross.
Do the man-made.
Now jump,
Jump,
jump, wiggle your rump, and walk it out like Granny.
Face
Move
the
it
right.
up. Go, 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 into the shit. All my mammals everywhere. You got warm blood and grow hair. If you're feeling this new groove, then we wanna see you move. It's like Conto Drift, and we do it just like this. Everybody to the front.
Back to the front.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Step left, then drift. Step right, that's it. Crisscross, and then crisscross. Here we go. Now jump, jump, wiggle your rump, and walk it out like Granny.
Face left.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Step left, then drift. Step right, that's it. Crisscross, into the man-made. Crisscross, here we go. Now jump, jump, wiggle your rump, and walk it out like Granny.
Move it back.
Hey, hey, hey. Step left. Get on your feet, human people. Stop holding up the wall. Crisscross. You got it. You got it. You got it. Now jump, jump, wiggle your rump, and walk it out like Granny. Move it up. Come on, get down with shit, your favorite sloth. Hey, all my mammals everywhere. You got warm blood and grow hair. If you're feeling this new groove, then we wanna see you move. It's like Continental Drift, and we do it just like this.
All right, you guys. So either you're feeling like you are like, why is Miss Brunick making us dance? And you just hate this, or you're like, that was so awesome. So, but you're probably like, how is this related to functions and loops? So let's think about it. Well, you're repeating actions over and over and over again. And that is going to be where the loops come in. Now, what about functions? So we've got all these dance moves, right? To move to the front and shake, to the back and shake, left and slide, right and slide, crisscross and do the matinee, crisscross and do the matinee, jump, jump, shake your rump and walk it out like granny. Whew, that is a lot to say. So it's a lot easier if I just call it the Sid Shuffle. So that's a lot like how functions work. So here we go, we're going to take a look at that. Don't worry about writing down composition or for loop today. I just want you to focus on function and call. So what is a function? It's just a collection of commands grouped together and given a name. So the set of commands can then be run with the name of the function. So if you want to run the Sid Shuffle, instead of typing out 15 different commands, all you need to do is write Sid Shuffle, and the computer will know to do all of those commands. First, you have to teach the computer how to do Sid Shuffle, and then once the computer knows that new function name, you can call it by its name. So when you want to call a function, you're telling the program to run it. So that's our next vocabulary word, call. Call is telling a program to run. So I would call the function Sid Shuffle, and the computer would move to the front and shake, to the back and shake, left and slide, right and slide, crisscross and do the matinee, crisscross and do the matinee, jump, jump, shake your rump and walk it out like granny. So instead of saying all that, all I need to do is call Sid Shuffle and the computer will know what to do. I'll give you guys some time to write this down. But we're about to switch over to Swift Playgrounds and skip through some of this stuff. So we're on to the chapter on functions, and I want you guys to take the classroom time left to work through the introduction, composing a new behavior, creating a new function, collect, toggle, repeat, across the board, nesting patterns, slotted stairways, and treasure hunt. Just know that today there's nothing due at the end of the hour. This is just work time for you now.